Time is running out, so I'll be quick. The Digital Marketing Revolution movie, quiz, ebook, and web class are ending today. There's still time, but you've got to act quickly. I've put all the links below. But if you've seen all or most of the above, now is the time to act on the offer at the end, while it's still available at a steep discount. Not taking action is the enemy of success. Don't let it be yours. Don't join the parade of people who passed on McDonald's, Apple, Google, Alphabet, etc. when they were first offered. Sure, this is not a stock. But it is an investment in your future, and your failure to act can be similarly devastating. Act now. Check out my links in the description below.